नमस्ते भाई बहनहरू वन्स अगेन हामी फेरि आयौं यहाँ फ्याक्टराइजेसन वर्ग 8 का लागि कक्षा 8 का लागि फ्याक्टराइजेसन आज फेरि हामी पढ्छौं फ्याक्टराइजेसन का डिफरेंट टाइप्स अफ फ्याक्टराइजेशंस आर देयर फ्रम देयर टुडे वी आर गोइङ टु डिस्कस अबाउट ax² + bx + c यो बेस्डमा भएको हैन यो बेस्डमा भएका अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेसनहरुलाई कसरी फ्याक्टराइज गर्ने त हाउ टु फ्याक्टराइज इट है यसको लागि हामी चाहिँ पहिला अलिकति बुझौं कि फ्याक्टराइजेसन को अस्तिको क्लासमा जस्ट प्रिभियस क्लास वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट दिस फ्याक्टराइजेसन इन दिस फर्म हैन जस्तो तीनवटा आइडेन्टिटीज पढेका थियौं फर्स्ट आइडेन्टिटीज रिमेम्बर छ भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई फर्स्ट के पढेका थियौं भने फर्स्ट आइडेन्टिटीज a + b होल स्क्वायर = a² a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square अनि सेकेन्ड आइडेन्टिटी पढेका थियौं a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, third it was your a plus b a minus b that gives to you a square minus b square. ये तीनवटा आइडेन्टिटीज पढेका थियौं है आजको क्लासमा हामी फेरि यही चाहिँ आइडेन्टिटीज यो त भयो अस्ति क्लासमा हामी पढ्यौं एन्ड वी हैव सो मेनी क्वेशन्स आल्सो सल्भड on the basis of that. Go through the slides that factorization of grade 8. This slide, factorization of grade 8. Previous class we were discussed about this one. Difference of two squares. यसमा हामीले यो फ्याक्टराइजेसन गरेका थियौं हैन यसमा के हुन्छ भने जस्तो whenever we are factorizing the term that term whatever the term is given to you is in the form of a² minus b² or not. First of all we have to recognize it. The equation the slide showed in that there it is given 9x² minus 25 है स्लाइडमा हेरौं त्यो स्लाइडमा के भन्छ a binomial is the difference of two square if both the terms are square and the single of the term are differences भनेको मतलब क्वेशनमा छ 9x² त्यसलाई हामी कसरी लेख्न सक्छौं है 3x को होल स्क्वायर. Of course we can write 3x whole square as well as 5 square. Why? Because 25. In this way we got 3x whole square minus 5 square. So it is your, so this is your 3x a². It is your a² minus b². That gives to you a plus b and a minus b, where it is 3x plus 5 and 3x minus 5. This is the square form. है यहाँ स्लाइडमा पनि त्यही भन्दै छ 3x plus 5 3x minus 5 है अब today we are going to discuss about how to factorize such type of the basic equations. यो यस्तो यहाँ छ ax² plus bx plus c, where a b and c are constant terms. A, B and C are constant terms. How to factorize it? To do so, एउटा क्वेशन लिनु पर्ने हुन्छ हामीले एउटा जस्तो एउटा कुनै क्वेशन लियौं x² plus 8x plus 16. We can discuss it on FOIL method also, but later on. First look over here. पहिला हामी first of all we are going to factorize it in such a way that how to factorize it. Okay, there are so many methods, but today we are going to on this one the splitting the middle term. Middle term लाई split गर्ने टुक्र्याउने or FOIL method is also next slide I will show you, but first you look all everyone here how to factorize it. First of all whatever the equation is given to you, that you mention, and coefficient of this one multiplied coefficient of constant term. भनेपछि 1 into 16, how much it is? 16 plus, because both is plus, 16 plus. You have to search such a number after multiplying both, that will give you 16. So many factors of this 16. 16's factors are your 1 into 16. 1 is the factor, 2, 8, 4, 4, in this way, and positive as well as negative. But just now the equation is positive, so we will discuss the negative term later on. But here, first of all, we have to search 4 into 4. 4 4s are, after multiplying 16 and after adding, it have to given 8. The 4 plus 4, that gives to you 8. This is also one method. In this way, what you can write it? Write it here, x square plus 4x plus 4x, because this 4 into 4, the 4 plus 4, 8, 4 4 is 16. So this factor is satisfied over here, not this factor. Why? Because 8 2 is 16, 8 2 is 16, but we need 8 over there, 8 over there. So 8 is not, this is, so we can't get it 2 8 is 16, or 8 plus 2, either it is 10. If you will subtract, it will be 6. But that's not. It's, this 4 is fit over here. You 4 चाहिँ यहाँ ठ्याक्कै फिट छ, त्यही भएर यहाँ 4 into 4 राख्ने, यसलाई हटाइदिउँ. Now this is the x square plus 4x plus 4x plus 16, हैन, यो चाहिँ plus 16. Now x is as a common, x plus 4, a bracket 4 is common, x plus 4, because this 4 multiplied here 4, and this 4 multiplied here 4, 4 4 is 16. So finally you got here x plus 4 bracket झिक्दिउँ अनि x plus 4. This is the factors. है, यसलाई अर्को वेमा पनि बुझ्न सकिन्छ. यसलाई फ्याक्टराइजेसन, यहाँ फ्याक्टराइजेसन ट्राइनोमियल्स म अर्को स्लाइड देखाउँदै छु. यहाँ हेरौँ, क्वेशन छ हाम्रो, यहाँ क्वेशन छ, यहाँ क्वेशन इज अन योर स्लाइड. द्याट वान इज योर question is your x square plus 13x plus 30. स्लाइड लाई पनि हेरौं, यतापट्टि यो पनि हेर्दै जाउँ. स्लाइड यहाँ छँदै छ, यहाँ हेर्दै जाउँ. How this method factors, the one again 1 into 30, that gives to you 30. Now search 30's factor. How much are 30? So many are there. 1 and 30 itself 30. 2 and 15 also 30. 6, 5 is 30. 3, 10 is 30. So many factors are over there. List positive factor of 30, because here positive आयो. After multiplying this 1 in 30, that you got positive 30. अब इसको factor, just search the factors of this 30. So in this way, we will get the factor of 30 is either 130, या 215, या 6 5 is 30, या 3 10 is 30. Now you have to search such a number. Product is 30 and then sum should be 13. Which is fit over here? You look, 30 31 cancel. 215 70, this is also cancel. 6 5 is 11, 6 plus 5 11, that is also cancel. Yes, check this one. Of course, this is 10 are 30. 3 plus 10, how much? 13. Yes, this gave you the factor by using this 3 and 10. So, this is satisfied, this 3 and 10 satisfied this term and condition also. Ki, you look, 30, the x square, k chaina bhane 1. We know it. K chaina bhane 1. X square. Now, how much? 10 3 ja. The 10x plus 3x. 10 plus 3, how much? 13, which is equal with this or not? 13. This term is only over here. A plus 30 is this side. Just I have splitted middle one. B is good to cry. Now, this is the x. Common झिक्न सक्छौं हामी. Now, what is the common? X. And what should be the common here? In previous classes, so many factors we have done it. It's too easy. Just to separate what is the common in both. त्यो चाहिँ झिक्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. त्यो चाहिँ त्यहाँबाट लिनु पर्ने हुन्छ. Just get the common from these two. X is common, so x is left over there. Plus, what is common here? X went outside. What is left? The 10 is left. Clear? Now, 3 you take common because 3 10 ja. The x is left over here. 10 3 ja 30. So, in previous classes, we discussed already whatever inside the bracket, that should be equal. That should be equal. So, whatever inside the bracket, x plus 10, this both is equal. It means your factorization is correct. You are correct. You're right. So, x plus 10 take as a common and x plus 3 as a factorization. After factorizing, so look your slides. In slide already they are given. There are other factors, but once we find a pair that works, we do not have to continue searching. Just if we are finding यो अघि हामीले लेखे जस्तै 1 into 30, that is also 30, हैन? अनि 6 into 5, that is also 30. 3 into 10, that is also 30. The 6 plus 5, 11 is not fit over here. This is 3 into 10. Fit over here because 10 3 are 30 as well as 10 plus 3 13. Already step no khojda pani bhayo. This is the correct step. So which we used here, and after that our factorization is completed. Hey, our next sum एक दुईटा अझै हेर्दै जाउँ. This both sum we have done as a positive. If the positive is there, then now sometimes it may be negative also. Symbol also. So how to simplify? How to factorize that such type of the sum? How to factorize it? So now I am giving you one very simple. If both places is negative, दुई ठाउँमा जस्तो मानौँ न x square minus 3x minus 18. Hey, this is the x square minus 3x minus 18. In both places there is a minus. So how to solve it? It's very easy. Easily you can go it. What was the rules? That first you multiply coefficient of x square to coefficient of 18 with the symbol. So here it is as a rough 1 into minus 18, that is your minus 18. And now you have to search such a number which will give you minus 3. After multiplying it, that will give you minus 18. अब यहाँ हेर्दै जाउँ, यही गरौँ. 9 into 2 18, but minus 18, but 9 plus 2 7 आइपुग्यो. हुँदै भएन. Leave it. Now search more number. Which is the factor of this? The 3 into 6. 6 3 also 18. यहाँ आउन खोज्दैछ. एउटालाई माइनस बनाइदियो भने यो पनि माइनस हुन गयो. आउन खोज्दैछ. Just search. But first of all, you be perfect over there. For factorization, this splitting is only important. Where you have to be pay attention. यहाँ ध्यान दिएर भाइ बहिनीहरु सुनौं, very easy छ. सजिलो छ, it's very easy. But listen it. That is your, this is not fit over there. This term is not fit over there. So you have to search such a number. After multiplying that, both will give you 18. 18 का factors हरु खोजौं. The 6 र 3 पनि factor हुन्, 1 र 18 पनि factor हुन्, minus 18. तर 1 minus 18 भनेको minus 17 हुँदै भएन, यो क्रस गर्ने, नलिने, don't take. Now 6 into 3, 6 3 जा 18, minus 18 दियो. अब now 6 minus 3 plus minus 3, that gives to you minus 3. आउन खोज्यो, आइसक्यो है. अब यहाँ एकचोटि प्रश्न लेखौं. 6 into 3, that gives to you 18. So sir, you made it minus over here. So yes, why not? Here once 6 into minus 3, that also gives to you minus 18. So you look here, minus 6 plus 3, that gives to you minus 3. And here 6 minus 3, that gives to you plus 3. Now you are very clever. Now just choose it. Which one would be the fit over there? भाइ बहिनीहरु कुन चाहिँ फिट हुन्छ? यो चाहिँ फिट हुन गयो. That is your x square minus 6x. You plus 3 छ है. That's why you have to write 3x plus and minus 18. यसमा अरु पनि एउटा मेथड आउँछ कि x square ब्रैकेट राखेर अनि 6 plus 3 minus 6 यसरी. त्यसमा त्यो मेथड ठिकै छ. That is also good. But I hope there is little bit puzzling. This is the directly, why not to go? है, yes, directly जाऊं तो 3x है ना. That is also method. Mathematics is very easy. Anyway you can go. The perfectness should be there. Your process should be perfect. This is the mathematics. So you look, now x is common. The x minus 6 plus 3 I took as a common. The x minus 6. यहाँ से symbol किन change भएन? Because this minus into plus minus only. So what I told, this both should be equal. एउटै हुन गयो. That's why this both are your same. So x minus 6 and x plus 3. This is the factorization. यसरी प्र्याक्टिस गर्दै जाँदा हामी अझै यसमा क्लियर हुन्छौं हैन. That 6-1. Now sometimes if your question is there, mathematics can be done, so many methods are there. It is not compulsory to do only one method. No. So you can, this is for that, for doing the sums, you are very that how to do your mathematics, how easily you are solving, how easily you are doing factors. It's up to you. Method should be anyone, but the basic method is this, which we are discussing here. But now one more question, that I am taking y square plus 11y minus 42. Question हेरौं, y square plus 11y minus 42. अघि दुईटै minus थियो. Now here one is positive, another is negative, minus. So how to solve it? As previous, you have to multiply coefficient of x square means a and coefficient of that last one. यो र यो coefficient multiply गर्छौं. यहाँ 1 छ. If nothing is there, it means 1. So 1 into minus 42, that gives to you minus 42. Now the work is there. What are the factor of 42? Just possible factor. Think it. Positive factor, negative factor. Factors. सोच्दै जाउँ. 7 into 6, 42. तर हामीलाई minus 42 चाहियो. एउटामा minus गरिदिन्छौँ. That is your minus. And 7 7 into minus 6, that also gives to you minus 42. Like this only, so many terms are there. So you look, I am just checking this one only. So how much it is? 7 6 ja 42. This is possible? After subtracting it will give you 11y? No, it won't. So we can't do it. Search for 11. 14 3 ja 42. Of course, you look. Minus 14 into 3, that gives to you minus 42, and 14 into minus 3, that also gives to you 42. Yeah, 14 plus 3 आउन खोज्दैछ त minus 11 भयो, तर हामीलाई के चाहियो? Plus. We need plus 11. So look, it is over here 14 minus 3, that gives to you 11. So of course, this is the factor which will be applied over here. So y squared plus 14y minus 3y minus 42. You splitting term are isko. Now y is as a common, y plus 14 minus 3 is common, y minus is going outside. So it is your plus 14. These both are your equal. Of course, after making these two, your factorization is correct. You are correct. So in this way, y plus 14, so y minus 3 and y plus 14. This is the factors of these two terms. Now, aligati यो slide मा हेरौं. यसमा FOIL method छ. Recall the using the FOIL method that whatever the expression is given to you, हैन, the factors ax squared plus bx plus c. So the numbers b is the sum of the both number. यस्तो search number you have to search. खोज्यौं त हामीले यो 14, यो 14 र 13 यस्तो एउटा नम्बर आयो. Perfectly that number would be only there. Factors are to so many. तर एउटा particular value को लागि their sum should be this much, middle term b, and their product should be your last term c. हैन, last term c, ax square plus bx plus c लेख्या थियो नि. यस्तो एउटा नम्बर आउँछ जसले यो b दिन्छ with the symbol, and their product will give to you c, such a number. So by factorizing it, you got this. Now some examples is to you. Look to the slide. Factors, such a number, factorize is 35, 7 5 ja 35. The factor, the polynomial x squared minus 2x minus 35. How to factorize it? Since the two number must have a product of 35 and the sum should be minus 2, you have to search the sub. Now factors of 35 को factor लेख्दै जाने. Minus 1 35, 7 5 ja 35, 5 7 ja also 35. If you will, in slide you are looking, in 5 minus 5 and 7, if you will multiply it, the 7 5 ja also 35, but minus 5 and 7 plus 7 will give you plus 2. But we need here minus 2. Of course, shift the symbol to the minus from minus 5 to 7. Our k गर्ने त 5 into minus 7, the 5 7 ja 35, and after subtracting, yeah, after adding 5 plus minus 7, that will give you minus 2. So 5 and 7 would be the factor. So of course we can write x squared plus 5x minus 7x minus 30. X common जिक्दाखेरि x common आयो, x plus 5 and minus 7, x plus 5. Just now I have told you कि minus यहाँ minus common लिए भने यो symbol change हुन्छ. त्यही हिसाबले स्लाइडमा पनि त्यही भएको रहेछ है भाइ बहिनीहरु. अब चाहिँ नेक्स्ट होम असाइनमेन्ट भाइ बहिनीको लागि केही होम असाइनमेन्ट लिएर आएका छौं. यो होम असाइनमेन्ट लेखौं, टिपौं. फ्याक्टर इज ट्राइनोमियल यो ट्राइनोमियललाई फ्याक्टर्स गर्ने हुन त 10-12 वटा छ बट एमोङ यू क्यान सल्भ बिकज दिस मेक्स यू पर्फेक्ट आफ्टर प्र्याक्टिसिङ प्र्याक्टिस गर्दाखेरि बुझिन्छ होम असाइनमेन्ट लेख्दै जाउँ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 9x14 बी नम्बर ए स्क्वायर माइनस या स्क्रिनसट लिँदा पनि हुन्छ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 9a माइनस 36 एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x माइनस 15 त्यस्तै 4 नम्बर एन स्क्वायर माइनस 8-9 प्लस 15 5 नम्बर बी स्क्वायर प्लस 22b प्लस 21 C number 6 number is your c square plus 2c minus 3 is the x square minus 5x minus 24. Now 8 number is your n square minus 8n plus 7 and m square minus 10m minus 39 x square plus 15z 36 यस्तै गरेर हाम्रो सकिन्छ यो होमवर्क फेरि अगाडि क्लासमा हामी भेट्छौँ नै र तर भाइ बहिनीहरू प्र्याक्टिस गर्दै गर्नुहोस् स्टे इन योर होम स्टे ह्याप्पी अल द बेस्ट भयो